morning to all. Today we are going to start a new chapter that is a part of history only. Trade and territories. Trade and territories means key. These chapters include the second one in your chapter, that the company established power from trade to territory. From the trade to trade, how the East India companies acquired power in India. This is very important fact that in 1600 East India Company are the means that time the East India Company only the purpose they are coming. What that purpose was is that they to set up the worldwide their business purpose, and that is from European country to the other part of the country. They first search the places where their business are set up, and whatever in the when the industrialization began, this finished good had to be sell out in these country, and taking the resources which are not available in England, they take these resources from here and take to their home country. For this is the business of the East India Company that is not so rich that time, but when it is be arrived in the year of 1600, that time it will be saw that this company are within a 50 years it is be the richest in the world and have to be reached to the top if you compare to the worldwide company. So it is very important and very phenomenal one, and it is be seen that East India Company when it's arrived in India, that time you see here that time the Portuguese are already rich in India, and the western part of India they can establish their places and do the business with India. And mostly this European company comes to India, because that time it is very famous for the spices and the silk they are taking from the China, and so they are returning and doing the business with this one. And so when the the East India Company comes to India, established in the year of 1600, because it is big gap, the company acquired a charter rights from England, because that time the king is the ruling in India, means in Britain, and that charter act is be passed out that you have to be now do the business independently, means you have to be go and do the business worldwide. They become free now, and of this getting this right, they are comes to India and they can establish, because the western part of India already the Portuguese, the Vasco da Gama, when they are rich here and searching, and they can establish their businesses and they are acquiring more and more land in India and establish their company. So this will be coming late, so it will be very difficult. So set up where they decided to set up the company, East India Company. So they are moving to the eastern part of India, that is the Calicut, and that is the Hooghly. In the Hooghly place, that is the West Bengal now we call it, they can establish this company in that places, and after that slowly they can acquire the power, and slowly they can acquire the power in India, and their main purpose to doing the business. From they are taking the spices and various things and the raw material from India to their home country, and from there they can do means the finished good they brought here and sell in the market. So they are mostly searching. They are searching the market, and for that purpose they increasing the market. They are moving toward the different market and sources, and they find it here easily. And when they are arrived here and settle down, what they find these people are very illiterate, uneducated. So we can be handled in according to us. So they decided that the second point, it's better to establish our rules here. So it is be easier for us to whatever we can wanted to do, we can easily be able to do that one. So for that reason they established the regime. Now slowly they acquiring more land, and this selfishness increased the boundaries of the East India Company in the various part of India slowly, and acquiring the regime of the East India Company. and for that reason slowly it passes in the hand of the Britisher, and means India goes now in the hand of the Britisher, and for that reason India after the 100 years they totally can capture India, and no rulers are be from Indians now, and totally they can rule here in India. See here the Vasco da Gama here. In 1498, Portuguese sea routes. Vasco da Gama already reached here in 1490, and from that time the Portuguese are established here. But they are not like the British one. British are very powerful because they are thirsty for the power, and for that thirst for power they wanted more and more market worldwide, and more wanted the raw material and resources from worldwide to take out to their home country. And this is the merchant that time they are coming and occupying the land, and all these resources had to be taken to their home country. And this is the East India Company, how it is settled down in India. Till here is the first topic we are completed here. The next session we are continuing in the next topic. For that, till now, thank you, and you see the next video.